Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will walk you through how to create a Pinterest business account step by step. So having a business account can help you reach a larger audience, define your brand identity and expand your presence within your niche. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. Let's dive right in. First of all, you have to head over to pinterest.com. Then you have to click sign up and then you have to log in. So for example, I'm gonna log in with my Gmail account for now. So let's log in with Gmail account. Now it will ask you for your birth date, so enter your birth date. I'm just gonna enter random birth date. Now you have to tap on to create account. And if you already have a personal Pinterest account, you can simply log in if you wish to. Now tap next, and at the top left corner you can see this option, allow it. And if you want, you can block notification also. Now Pinterest will ask you some basic questions, so you have to answer them according to your wish. So for it now it is asking that what's your gender, so I'm gonna tap onto male. Now it's asking that what type of English do I prefer, so I'm gonna tap onto United States English. So now I'm gonna choose this one, so I'm gonna choose all of them. Then you have to tap onto continue. And lastly I'm going to tap onto this one, then I have to continue to your feed. So once you are logged in, click your profile picture at the top right corner. Here you can see this option, you have to tap onto it. Then you have to choose add account, or you can tap onto this option plus, and you can choose this creator pin board. So for now, tap onto this top right icon. Now you have to tap onto add Pinterest account, tap onto it. Okay, now you have to click on create a free business account. You can see this third option, this one, you have to tap onto it. You have to tap onto this green text, tap onto create. Now you have to enter your email address, your password, and then you have to tap onto create account. So let me show you how you can do it. Now you have to enter your birth date from here. Now tap continue, create account. So as you can see, this email has been taken, so let's try with another email. Now tap on to create account. So that is it, your Pinterest business account is now set up. Now you have to answer some basic questions again, like you have to describe your business, like what type of business you want to run. I'm going to tap onto content creator, then I'm going to tap onto next. Now you have to enter your business or brand name, so I'm going to enter my business name Digital Express. Then you have to tap your country or region, so choose your country or region, then you have to tap continue. Let me choose United States. Wait until I found it. Let me find United States. So right now I am not seeing. So I'm just gonna choose a random country. Okay, I'm gonna choose Australia. Now if you have a website, you can paste its link to here at www.mywebsite.com. Basically this will connect your Pinterest account to your website automatically. You can do it, and if you don't have an account, then tap on I don't have a website. Now tap onto next. So now you have to enter your business goals, like what are your business goals. You can select up to 3 goals. Okay, so just enter them. So generate more leads. And lastly I'm gonna choose, that's it. Now have to tap on what's the focus of your brand, like what is your main focus. So for me I'm gonna choose onto education, then tap done. And there you go, your business account is almost done. Now you have to tap onto this, like where do you like to start. So I'm gonna tap onto showcase. Okay, this one. Now you can enter your profile picture here. Tap onto this icon change, and from there you have to tap onto this icon called text called choose photo. Tap onto it, and from there you have to choose it. You have to choose a text. So as you can see, I have changed my profile picture. Now you can add your description or your business description at here. At the about section you have to talk about your story or your business. You just have to type a long description of it. For me I'm just gonna add check out my profile. Then you can add your pronouns, if you're she, her, I am, he, him. For me I'm he, him. Now if you have an account you can add your website link. Now you can add your username here. Then you can add extra email. Now you can tap onto include a detailed location here, and you can just choose all this information. Then you have to tap on to save. So as you can see my profile is saved. So this is it. This is how you can create a business profile at Pinterest easy. So that's it. Now go to your home, and now you can check out your Pinterest dashboard and etc. From here you can choose a lot of type of pics. From here you can download them easily. Boom, that's it. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, if you want to add campaign at Pinterest, you can tap onto this plus icon called create, and from there you can create your contents from here at Pinterest. You can add title, description, link, etc., and you can tap onto save from URL. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, and comment down below that what type of video do you want to see in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.